measuring the underside of the shears, I said that while grinding this took off most of the wear, and that is true, but there are still some wear, especially I think there was on the front of the most of them. So just making this sort of test. Let's see, move it down. 0, and then 1. I'm at 2, and then 3. Let us see in which direction. So this is plus, so it's plus over here, it means thicker. Yes, it goes back to 0. So it was a kind of equal, going thicker in that direction. That means if I blew it up, I might be fooled, tricked by the fact that it can blow up the whole surface, still be uneven as compared to this. Yeah, I'll just confirm that with the micrometers test. Okay. Well, 2 hundredths of a millimeter more. So my measurements with the micrometer confirm that this end is thinner than this end by some 3 hundredths of a millimeter. I've tried various means to get that side, this on the machines down, both by grinding with a Dremel. Could have made a sled, probably more predictable results, blah blah blah. And then I tried, of course, to file, just to file it a little bit, and I've I tried to just stone it afterwards, of course, with a coarser stone. But anyway, what ever remedy I've tried comes short of the hand scraper. Also try the power scraper here. It's a little bit finicky, but it works, but the best thing is to use a hand scraper. Much more predictable results than any other means. And so on this one I will step scrape it down here, and I use these holes as markers. So I take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4. So that this one becomes, let's say, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6, this is a 5, the 4, No, I'll go. I'll use the two, taking the two first, and I will do the normal shifting or direction. And then, in addition, as a final step, I will relieve the area in here. So I do this here to get a relief area, so that the way here becomes a separate way. So if I blew it up, I don't run the risk of riding on the ridge at the bottom there. And also finish up with a sort of a grind scrape in there, because I don't think I get all the way in with equal force. It's a little bit cramped both in my workshop and this small or narrow way. It's not the best or easiest to scrape. So this is a close-up of the surface after scraping before stoning.